Thank you for visiting Discount Blind Parts for all your blind parts needs. Let me show you how to replace some wand tilters. Basically some wand tilters that aren't made anymore. You can always modify one so it will work. Slide the reel out, or the rod out, pop out the old tilt mechanism, and that's pretty much how they are on all the blinds. Now there's some tilters that aren't available anymore. That would be the Delmar tilter for a 1-inch blind. What I use as a replacement is this part right here, which you see on my website. The only difference is the rod that fits in here tightly does not fit in the new tilter. So basically what you have to do is just add a wedge inside to fill in the gap, and that'll solve the problem. One other thing, when you do get the new tilter, you want to make sure that the red marks line up, that the slats are straight, then slide the rod in, and then any whatever you use to fill in the gap. That's for the Delmar. There's also another one, the Levolor 2-inch blind tilter. That I don't have anymore either, but you can use this as a replacement. I've always used this as a replacement. You're just going to have to, again, just add a wedge to stop the metal rod from slipping. If you can still find it, you know, if you want to use it, it's probably more expensive. But and this part right now is $5.99 or $5.95. One other part. It's a Hunter Douglas 1-inch blind, and there's other blinds very similar to this. If you can make this tilter out, I use this one as a replacement. Now there's a right and a left hand side, so you want to order the right one. Once you do slide this part in, what's going to happen is there's another piece on here that's attached to this that helps or stops this rod from sliding in and out. So that's not going to work anymore on a new tilter. So you get a clamp like this, found in the vertical blind parts, and lock it just near the barrel to stop the rod from sliding out of the new tilter. That's always worked for me. It doesn't have to look good, it just has to work. Thank you very much for visiting Discount Blind Parts.